So today was an absolutely wild day in the crypto market. Not for most assets. Most assets were actually pretty quiet and calm and red, which is not how what we like to have during the weekend. But what we actually saw was insane volatility in terms of BTC. In fact, there were a bunch of whales trying to harpoon a big player betting against the crypto market. And this is where I have to say that people should not get too comfortable, especially in terms of negativity, because yes, there is enough confidence and there is enough capital in the market to start pushing us to higher prices. And it may be possible that this week is the week where this begins. So if you guys are new or haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Hit that bell again. It's free to do. It'll keep you updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel. So yes, most assets across the crypto space, very quiet day, not a lot of movement, but that wasn't the case for BTC. That wasn't the case for Shiba Inu. And I'm going to try to get a SHIB video out later today to talk about what's going on with that. But what we see for BTC, it actually looks like just a big solid red block. But that couldn't be further from the truth, because when we look at the hourly chart in terms of BTC, look at these wild swings all the way from 82K all the way up to 85.1, and then now all the way back down to 82.3. So what was actually going on today was there was a major player in the space that was trying to short the crypto market, creating a lot of FUD. We talked about it earlier today. Over $300 million in short positions opened up, trying to, again, suppress the market. This is the same whale that have been profiting off these swings we've had as of late. They seem like they're a little bit of an insider, or they have a little bit of drop on the market, or the market is just reacting to them in a big way. But we actually saw some whales go on a little bit of a harpoon hunt today, and they actually got within inches of liquidating this major position. What was very interesting is they got so close, in fact, that this whale got nervous and actually had to add more capital to raise their liquidation price higher. So we actually got all the way up to $85,100, and their liquidation price was $85,300. So yes, we were spitting distance away from seeing a massive short squeeze in the crypto market. And guys, this would have triggered a huge run to the upside, probably breaking 90K. Didn't happen, so we can't talk about it. But what we actually saw was, again, them add capital, raise it to 86.6, and then we basically just ran out of a little bit of steam today. All I have to say is that they better be glad that it was the weekend. Be glad it was not during the week, because you probably would have seen a huge market-wide rally, and then we would have been singing from the hilltops, rah, rah, rah. We're excited once again, right? Now, what's interesting is I think they opened up an Ethereum position. The Ethereum position was, in fact, closed, but what this actually gives me is a lot of confidence heading into the week, because it seems like the market is not taking this being bullied and pushed around crap anymore. All right. Now, that being said, there's still a lot of leverage here, right? Major short positions up in these ranges, major long positions down in these ranges that you guys can see. So again, right now we're sitting on those longs. I would expect more volatility as we get into this week. Again, a big thing for the market in general is going to be Wednesday's FOMC meeting, something to watch very closely. Again, there is almost no likelihood that we're going to get an interest rate decrease, but it is about the sentiment from Jerome Powell. Does he confirm what some of the reports are saying, that, we're still a ways away from interest rate decreases? Are things heading the right direction? I'm hoping that we get some sort of good sentiment from this, because again, this is going to be good for altcoins. Right now, the reason the reason that altcoins didn't really make moves today is because it was a weird day that BTC was doing its own thing. It was moving very quickly. Yeah, I mean, that's all you can say. Sentiment wasn't really there quite yet. But this does give us a little bit more confidence as we head into this week. I want to see this fear greed index still on the rise. If that is the case, if BTC continues to show strength up here, if it holds this trend, gets a nice bounce off of here, I would not be surprised by many of these other alts in the space taking up some more legs. So this was a pretty wild day. So I want to hear your thoughts on this. Do you think the market is in this spot where it is in fact ready for a bounce? Do you think that we're still searching for a little more stability? Do you think we have some more downside ahead? But again, when the market sentiment does shift, that is when our alts will start to get pretty wild. So have a great day. Show your love below. Let me know your thoughts. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.